Wow, my freaking iPhone was recording.
Oh.
Oh my god, I just noticed that.
Are you serious?
Oh, look, the bacon.
Shit's crazy, bro.
Hey, we right underneath the shit. Hey, no,
Alright, it's time to go to the Nugget. Let's go. Alright, it's time to go to the Nugget. Let's go. Well, Nuggets having fireworks over there too.
I know they were. You know that little hole over there? Oh my god. Yeah, that's where they shot it.
What?
That little circle.
Yeah, I know.
That's where they shot them from.
Right here? Let's go. Let's go to the Nugget.
The Calneva or the Nugget, whatever.
The Nugget, they have it at the Nugget.
What about Calneva? Something close by. We're already downtown.
The Aces has it too.
Oh yeah.
The Aces has it.